A deposition is a formal part of the discovery process in a lawsuit. Let's break down how this legal testimony actually works. A deposition is an out-of-court statement given under oath by a witness or party involved in a legal dispute. Since you are under oath, lying during a deposition is considered perjury, which carries serious legal consequences. During the session, the lawyer representing the other side will ask you questions to gather facts and understand your version of events. While a trial is the public resolution of a case, a deposition is a private information gathering phase that happens much earlier. Most depositions last a few hours, but complex legal cases can sometimes require multiple days of questioning, depending on the scope. This is a golden rule for witnesses. Stick to the facts and keep your answers concise to avoid confusion later in the case. Understanding these legal steps helps demystify the litigation process. Consult with a qualified attorney for advice on your specific situation.